Dull skin is one common struggle that many people deal with. And sometimes you just wake up in the morning and your face looks dull, your face looks tired, your face looks uneven, your face is without glow, looks dull, and you're wondering what is actually the problem. Now, different things like stress, like pollution, like lack of sleep, or even usage of wrong products can make you feel this way, including sun damage. Dehydration can also make you lose your skin radiance. Do you understand? Your skin can lose its natural radiance from a lot of things. So today, I'm going to be talking about 5 products that can deliver real visible results without bleaching your skin or without damaging your skin barrier. I know a lot of you want to brighten up your skin, but most times the products you use end up damaging your skin barrier in the long run. That is why I have carefully selected these products for you. Products that will deliver and still work effectively. These products are gentle, but they are effective, and they target dark spots. They target uneven skin tone, and they give your face that fresh, that lift from the inside, that glow, that radiance. All right, so let's go straight into today's video. Now let's talk about one product that is loved globally. When I say globally, I mean dermatologists love this product, even skin lovers, like a lot of people love this product, and that is what? The Ordinary Alpha Arbutin Serum. Not this, I'm just showing you the Ordinary. This is glycolic acid. Now, the Alpha Arbutin Serum is one strong but gentle brightening serum that helps reduce dark spots from your skin. It helps reduce dullness gradually from your skin. Alpha Arbutin Serum from the Ordinary. Now, this Alpha Arbutin Serum targets pigmentation directly, and it controls melanin production, so your skin can look more even, more radiant. I mean, not Fanta and Coke, in a layman's language. Okay, now this product works very well on acne marks. It works on sun damage. It works on hyperpigmentation, just general discoloration. You can use this product if you have general discoloration. Now, the product contains hyaluronic acid, and it also hydrates your skin while brightening your skin. All right, for some of you that don't know what the product is, this is the product right here. This product, use it in the morning and in the night, and don't forget sunscreen to protect your results. Okay, now it is affordable and it is great for people who want results without high chemicals or bleaching ingredients. Go and buy these products now. Go and buy these products now. Now they have both the small bottle and the big bottle. If you cannot afford the big bottle, buy the small bottle. All right, this is miracle in a bottle. The next product is the Garnier Vitamin C Serum. All right, this product is another trending product in Nigeria, and right now it is trending because it gives instant glow. Do you understand? This vitamin C is the best ingredient for making skin look brighter. You cannot be treating hyperpigmentation without using vitamin C. Why? Because vitamin C boosts collagen. It fights dullness. That is why you must use vitamin C. Go and get this vitamin C serum. This vitamin C serum absorbs very fast, and it gives your skin that fresh morning shine, especially the oily, if you have an oily skin, this vitamin C is good for you. It helps fade dark spots from pimples, scars over time. So if you know you have pimples and you have scars, use it. Use this product directly under your sunscreen. All right, because it will make the glow last longer. It is budget friendly, like I said. It's easy to find in malls, it's easy to find in stores, it's easy to find everywhere. And it's a very good option if you want something simple but effective. Do you understand? Now, the third product is it's not like it's a brightening product though, but you need it. Okay, this is the Cosrx Snail Mucin Essence. It is not mainly a brightening product or a brightening serum though, but the glow it gives is on another level. Go and get this particular product. This Snail Mucin repairs damaged skin, It fades acne scars, it heals dryness, it relieves your skin. It makes it look plump and healthy. This particular product you're seeing here. A lot of people notice that their skin starts shining, looking very radiant naturally with consistent use of this product. That's why I'm telling you to go and get it. Do you understand? Yes. Now, what does it do again? It improves texture, it reduces rough patches from your skin, and it supports skin barrier. So other than brightening products, this one will work for you. As you're using brightening products here, you're also using it moisturizing product like this. Do you understand? It supports skin barrier. Now, pairing all of this with a vitamin C or niacinamide product gives you double radiance. I hope you know that. I hope you know that these things I'm telling you, they work hand in hand. You can't use one and not use another one. The next product I'm going to tell you to buy is what? The Balance Active formula niacinamide serum. It is very, very affordable. I said balance because it is very, very affordable and it works. So this serum here is a hero. Do you understand? It brightens and it controls oil. It shrinks large pores and it brightens dull skin gradually. So tell me why you're not going to get this serum now. We already know that niacinamide is one ingredient that is almost for every skin type. Every skin type loves niacinamide. You can use it. Why? Because it evens out your skin tone. It reduces redness. It prevents dark spots from forming. So if you want glow without irritation, this serum is a safe pick for you. It's especially good for people with acne prone skin or you have oily skin. Go and get this one because it controls shine without drying your skin. Do you understand? So go and get this one. It's very, very affordable. If you don't want to use the balance, you can get niacinamide serum from any other product, which is fine. The next product I'm going to be telling you about is this product right here. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic serum. It is gentle. It's an exfoliating toner, sorry. It contains glycolic acid that removes dead skin cells and it makes your skin look fresh after usage. Do you understand? So sometimes dull skin happens because the old dead cells are covering your glow. So this toner right here, it smoothes skin tightness. It smoothens your skin, it tightens your pores, and it gives healthy brightness after some weeks of usage. So use at night to avoid sunlight irritation and always use sunscreen afterwards. All right. I don't want to say this. This is also a glycolic acid, but the Pixie is more affordable than this. All right. Now, the next morning, because you have used an exfoliating toner, you have to use sunscreen to make your skin not to be sensitive to the sun. Do you understand? It gives that canvas look, that finish, that look as if you just had your makeup done. That is what it gives. So if you cannot afford this Pixie right here, please, you can, what did I say? If you cannot afford the ordinary glycolic acid right here, look at it, then get this Pixie. This Pixie is more affordable, very, very affordable. That is why I said you should get this Pixie. So I believe that with the help of these 5 products that I just mentioned, you are going to definitely brighten your dull skin. You're going to see results. Remember, I always say that results don't come cheap. Results don't come in one day because the problem did not start in one day. I will always tell you to be consistent, drink a lot of water, hydrate yourself from the inside. That's why I keep saying you should drink water. It's not because you are thirsty or you're feeling thirsty. No, hydrate yourself from the inside. A dry skin is very hard to work on. If you want to brighten your skin, make sure that your skin is not dry because a dry skin is very, very hard to work on. That's why you always hear me mention drink water, hydrate yourself from the inside, and use moisturizing products as well. So let me know what products, any of this product that you're using, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any other concerns or any other skin concerns you want me to talk about or educate you about or recommend products for you, drop it in the comment section and I'll be right at your service. Who knows, my next video might be your skin solution. All right. So thank you so much for watching. I remain your beautiful Jennifer Chris, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay glowing.